Oh man, got the axle in from the other side, the same truck that we're working on when we put the other axle in. Now, whoever has been watching my story, you guys know we did the driver's side axle on the other side of this 05 Ford Escape. We're doing the passenger side axle, which is kind of a weird axle because I'm used to like front wheel drive having the long axles, but this one's just a short axle that connects to a longer piece that goes into the transmission. And that's your axle for this one. That's your passenger side axle for this 05 Escape. Then what we got to do over here is take this little beautiful intake off, the one that's not blocking the spark plugs on the other side of this V6. I don't know why manufacturers do that, but they like to give you a hard time. So we're gonna get this off, get the spark plugs changed from all of them. All 6 of these pistons are gonna get new spark plugs, and that's gonna be it for the day, and as well as the ball joints. So we're currently toolless, so I'm waiting for them to bring the ball joint separator.